Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Jubokeke. Now, if you're already part of the family, thank you for staying tuned. Yeah, so today guys, I'm going to be taking us on the journey of makeup brushes, knowing your makeup brushes. As a beginner, I know many of you would have bought different brushes. You might even have set of brushes that you don't even know what to do with it. All you just know is you bought brushes and you're ready, just to apply powder and the like. But in real essence, having makeup brushes, yeah, it does different work. You might have just one or two pieces. You can use it for any other thing, like it's a multi-purpose
So
tool.
we'll be
You can
starting
even
with
use
the
your powder
general
brushes.
face brushes. Yeah. But as a beginner, you need to have few brushes to achieve a flawless look. So guys, these brushes are all brushes that you'll be needing to apply makeup on your face as a beginner. You can see this, you can see it. There are brushes that you can use to apply makeup as a beginner on your face. But as time goes by, when you become a professional makeup artist, you're going to be needing more than this. Yeah, but you won't still use everything on one person's face because when you become a pro, you tend to want to multi-use. Because they are multi-purpose. You can use them for whatever you want to use. You can use only this one to apply maybe two products on the face. But initially, you need these brushes. These brushes, you need them to apply makeup on the face. There's eye brushes. We have the eye brush. We have the face brush. We have the lip brush, brow brush. You need to brush your brows, taming and every other. The lip brush, it is used to apply lipstick on the lip gloss and every other kind of lip products you want to apply on the lips. So all these brushes are for face. This beauty blender is used to apply liquid foundation on the face. And there are several types of beauty blenders also. We have smaller beauty blenders. Look at, we have the smaller ones, smaller beauty blender. This beauty blender is used to apply loose powder under your eyes. It is used to apply and also to contour your nose. Those are the types of beauty blender. There are different designs out there of beauty blender, but these are the ones I'll be showing you as a beginner. But these brushes are very very important. You need to get yourself brushes for applying makeup. So guys, what I'll be showing you right now is different types of brushes. We have many like different type of brushes. We have the 32 sets, we have the 16 sets, we have the 7 sets, we have the 5. We have different sets of brushes. There's some brushes that comes as just for eye brushes. They don't have powder brush, they don't have any face brush, it's just eyes. And there are some that comes as many as the whole face brushes. You know, this particular set of brush in my hand, you can see this particular set of brushes. They are from the, so I think this one is from the 24 set of brush. Yes. And we still have many that are from different sets of brushes. These brushes, these have the eyes, face, lip, brows, and every other on this particular set of brush. But they are small brushes. They are not as big as some other products. These brush sets are small sets of brushes, but they are very very good. As a beginner, you can afford it because it's not that expensive. The 24 set is not as expensive as some brands, so it's affordable. You can get them in the market. You can get them in any makeup stores, and they still give you the precise look of what you want. You can still use them to achieve your makeup look. So this particular brush sets, they are very very okay. This particular one is powder brush, but you can also use it to apply um maybe highlighter. It depends on how good you are. If you're very good at your work, you can make use of this. So I'll be showing you another set of brush from another brand. Yeah, this is the next set of brushes. This particular brush, friends, this brush have face, eyes, and face, eyes, and lip brush. Also, this particular brush, you can see the powder brush how big it is. Very very big, fluffy, full. You know, This brush sets, they are from BH Cosmetics, and the BH Cosmetics have different types of brush sets. A bit um high, is higher than the price of the other one I showed you at first. So I don't know why they are expensive or why they are cheaper. But what our advice is, you go for a cheaper product when you are beginning, when you first start out as a beginner on your makeup artist journey. You start from a cheaper product, but not so cheap to give people a bad makeup look. There are many drugstore products out there that you can get at a very very cheap price, but they are very good products, very very good, I'll tell you that. So the next brush set, you can see this brush set very affordable for a beginner. A beginner can actually get this and still make use of it. So guys, don't forget to like, share and comment on my videos, and also don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So guys, thank you very much for staying tuned.